26. Definitions. We've become, in the modern age, a dictionary-oriented people. We like handy definitions. I often encounter in my travels officious people with whom a conversation is impossible. Almost every statement they make includes a demand. Define your terms. One man, whose pastor had denied all the essential doctrines of the faith, would object if other members described the pastor as a modernist. Why? He has never defined himself as one, was the answer. Definitions have their place, but the only defining the Bible does usually is by calling attention to life and action. Since faith without works is dead, the Bible defines things in terms of life. This leads to very telling definitions. For example, Peter refers to holy women and then tells us who they were and what they did. They trusted or hoped in God. This is a practical definition of holiness. It means trusting in God and acting on that faith. If we trust in Him, then we do not fret or complain. We don't cry or worry as though God would get nothing done without our nagging. To trust in God means that we practice what Proverbs 3:5 requires us to do. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. I heard a description of someone who professes to believe the Bible from cover to cover a few years ago. She's not a Christian, she's a worrier. If this is true of you, it's time to take hands off your life and give it to the Lord. You and I can only make a mess of things. Why not let the Lord take over the controls?